Hey everybody, welcome back to Deanne Creates. I'm Ashley Deanne, and today I'm going to show you how to make an easy and festive craft. So get your glue guns ready because today we're going to make a pom-pom wreath. If you want to see how I made this fun, adorable craft, then keep watching. For this craft, you're going to need a green foam floral ring that I purchased at the Dollar Tree, 3 bags of pom-poms, 1 pink, 1 hot pink, and 1 white, a craft knife, a hot glue gun, and the skewer. It's optional. First, I use my carving knife to cut my floral ring in half by going around the perimeter of the floral ring. When I finished, I had 2 halves that were shaped like circles. You don't have to do this step if you don't want to. I chose to do this step because I wanted my wreath to hang flush against the door and I wanted to use less pom-poms. Next, I put all 3 bags of pom-poms in a bowl and mixed them up because I wanted to be able to choose my pom-pom colors randomly. With my hot glue gun, I glued the pom-poms onto the floral ring, starting with the edges first. I put about a 2-inch line of hot glue down on the floral ring and placed the pom-poms on top. I had to move quickly and carefully because hot glue dries fast. Also, I made sure that I placed the pom-poms close together so that I didn't have a lot of empty spaces left at the end. I pushed the pom-poms down into the glue to make sure they were secure. After I finished the entire wreath, I filled in any empty spaces that I saw on the wreath with the remaining pom-poms. I put hot glue in the empty spots and pushed the pom-poms down into the hole with my skewer. Then, I carefully pulled off any hot glue gun strings that remained on the wreath. I left my wreath as is, but if you want to jazz yours up a little more, you can make a bow using wire ribbon and attach it to the wreath with pipe cleaner. That's totally up to you though, because the wreath looks great with or without it. There you have it, another fun festive craft that was super easy to make. I had so much fun making this project and it didn't take me a long time at all. If you enjoyed watching this video, then leave me a comment, smash that like button, and subscribe because you know you want to, and check out my website at deannecreates.com. Thanks for hanging out with me, and come back next time because you never know what I'll be creating next. Bye guys.